Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about the most basic and common rule in photography composition, that is the rule of thirds. But we'll explore it in more detail in how we can use it in our photography to enhance it. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today I'm going to talk about the rule of thirds, which may be a rule in composition that most of you must be familiar with. No? Let me explain. So, what is the rule of thirds? The rule of thirds involves dividing up your image using two horizontal lines and two vertical lines, that is a 3x3 grid, and positioning the important elements in your scene along these lines or at the intersecting points of these lines. The idea is that an off-center composition looks more pleasing and natural to the eye than placing your subject in the dead center. It gives more room within the photo for the subject to move or look. It also encourages you to make creative use of negative space, that is the empty space around your subject. Also, if you are looking to submit your photographs for a magazine or publication, or even use your photos for a graphic or even social media, the negative space allows you to add text and graphics to your picture. How to use the rule of thirds? While framing a photo, think about the most important element in your scene and try to place that at the lines or at the intersecting points of the lines. They don't have to be perfectly lined up as long as they are close. You can apply the rule of thirds to any genre of photography. In a portrait, the subject's eyes can be placed along the lines of the grid. Similarly, you can compose your macro or bird shots. In landscape photos, place the horizon along one of the horizontal lines. Also, you can include an element like a tree or a rock along one of the lines that provides an anchor, a natural focal point for the scene. You may need to move around in order to get the best composition. Try out different angles and positions. And whenever you can, don't hesitate to ask your subject to move here and there so that you can experiment and see which composition looks more pleasing. To help you out, most cameras have a setting that overlays the rule of thirds grid onto your screen or viewfinder while you are clicking. Make sure you turn it on to get your composition right in camera itself. But if at all you don't get it right in camera, you can always crop your image in post-production. Sometimes having a subject to one side of the frame can give a sense of void on the other side. So, to make things more exciting, a secondary element like the sun or a tree, which is not on the point of interest but is alongside one of the grid's horizontal lines, can help in balancing the composition. Here are a few more examples of applying the rule of thirds. It is a good idea to place your subject towards a particular side of the frame. That way you give breathing space to your subject, expose the subject's environment, and stop your image from looking like a mere snapshot. But like every rule in photography, this rule should not be followed blindly. There are many ways in which the rule of thirds can and should be broken effectively. Some compositions look good in a centered or symmetrical positioning. Do you want to know how to break the rule of thirds? Let me know down below. And if you like this video, guys, give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous composition tutorial. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.